Understanding battery drain. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on a common phrase in English, battery drain. You might have heard this term in relation to smartphones, laptops, or any electronic device. Today, we're going to break down what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Battery drain refers to the loss of power from a battery within a device, often happening more quickly than expected. It's a term commonly used in the context of smartphones. For example, if your phone's battery goes from 100% to 50% in just a few hours, you might say there's a battery drain issue. There are several reasons why a device might experience battery drain. Background apps. Applications running in the background that you're not actively using. Screen brightness. Higher screen brightness settings consume more power. Outdated software. Older versions of software may not be optimized for power saving. Hardware issues. Sometimes the battery itself is faulty or old, leading to faster drainage. When talking about devices, you can use the phrase to describe a situation where the battery is losing charge quickly. For example, I can't use my phone all day without charging it because of the battery drain. And that's a wrap on battery drain. Remember, it's not just a technical term. It can be a useful phrase in everyday English when discussing electronics. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject. Stay charged, and see you in the next lesson.